Hello and welcome to the myminimaths.co.uk video tutorials. And today we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions with a different related denominator. So let's look at question 1 to see what that means. It's 4/8 and I'm going to add a quarter to it. So what we mean by related, it means one of these denominators at the bottom will fit into the other one. So they are closely linked, they're closely related to each other. So as we saw in the first video, we need to make sure that these denominators are the same. So we're going to change them both, or make sure that they are both 8 out of 8. And we're going to be adding. So if I take this 8 here, it's the same as this 8, so our fraction just remains the same. Now over here, we have a 4. And we've changed it into an 8. So to make sure that they remain the same value, equivalent, we're going to times it by 2 to make the 8. And we need to do the same at the top. So I have a numerator of 2. So 4/8 add 2/8 gives us a final answer of 6/8. And you could also give it as 3/4 in its simplest form. And next we're on to question 2. Which is 10/12, and I'm going to subtract 2/3. So again, let's look at these denominators, and we need to make sure that they are the same. And we can clearly see that the 3 can change into a 12 quite easily. So 12 is going to be our new common denominator to help us calculate this subtraction question. So 12 times by 1, it just stays the same, so does the top, the numerator. With the denominator over here with the 3, we've multiplied it by 4 to get our 12, so I need to do the same with the top. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then I can make a final calculation. 10/12, and if I remove 8 of those 12ths, I'm left with 2/12. And you could also change that into 1/6 if you wish for the simplest form. And finally, on to question 3, which is 8/15, 8 out of 15, and we're going to add 2/5, or 2 out of 5. And like on the previous questions, we're going to change this 5, so it's the same as a 15, and we can multiply that by 3 to make 15 as well. Do the same with the top, so it becomes 6, and then we can clearly see that this can just stay the same. So altogether we have 8/15. We're going to add 6/15 to it. So altogether we have 14/15 as our final answer. Thank you very much for listening today. I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the My Mini Maths YouTube channel for the latest news and videos, and take care.